Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Tamur and this is my channel, The Cloud Security Guy, where I talk about things like cloud security, AI, cybersecurity career advice. And today I just wanted to talk about a new development which has happened within ChatGPT, that is the code interpreter. In case you're not familiar, it's like a new functionality they've released which allows you to execute like code, right? And I wanted to talk about the cybersecurity implications of that, just how much that can impact, what's the impact of that, and I wanted to talk about that and show you as cybersecurity professionals, like what are the possible things you can like see in the future happening. So just to like give you a quick introduction, it's like a new functionality. Now ChatGPT, before you could use it to generate code, right? That was nothing special, but now it can execute code within the Python sandbox, and that is a real game changer for everyone, not just cybersecurity, but it's going to have a big impact on cybersecurity also. Okay, so now you have a little bit of a sandbox on which you can like execute Python code. Okay, it's not connected to the internet, and it has libraries, like a limited libraries, but it's very powerful. So it's giving you the full access to that. So it's not available for free. Sorry, it's available for the paying customers for ChatGPT Plus. So basically, if you're paying, you can go to the settings and beta features. You can see it should be showing up here, right? Like you see. So this is like available for ChatGPT Plus users, and it allows you to execute Python code. Okay, so you just go here, ChatGPT 4. It should be showing up here if it's already like available. It's available in beta for almost everyone now, but now you can go here and turn it on. So what does it do? The biggest thing you can see, it allows you to upload files. Okay, it allows you to upload file, and mostly people, you can upload like CSV images, CSV files, images, anything, and you can ask it to analyze it. Okay, so you can think about it as you have like a simple, like you have a very powerful data analyst now available for you. Okay, literally that's what it is, and that's the thing which is going to be a big game changer. Now people are going to be using it for data analysis, so you can actually have Python code executing. So it's a sandbox environment, and then you will be able to actually analyze the data. And I wanted to show you like an example of this. uh, so this is my AWS account, right? This is my personal AWS like demo account. I keep playing around with it. It's on a free tier, right? But if you know CloudTrail, so CloudTrail is basically where all your audit trail is there for your AWS account, right? So if I go to event history here, so this is basically shows what's been happening in my AWS account, right? You can actually download the events, download as CSV. So I'm going to download this CSV file, and I'm going to see what I can do with this. Okay, so it's still downloading, but because people are thinking, like most cybersecurity people, they're thinking it's going to impact data scientists, it's going to impact like programmers, but they don't realize the implications for themselves. And as an example, I do want to show you just how powerful this now new functionality is, and what you can do it with it also as cybersecurity professionals. So this is, I think, the easiest way to show it. Oh, it's still downloading. Let me pause it until it downloads. Okay, it got downloaded, guys. So let me put it here, right? So it's gonna upload this file. Now I'm gonna say, let's see. So this is basically my analyze this data. Oh, sorry. So let's see what code interpreters about. So you can actually, so it's analyzing. You can actually see, you can actually ask it to show you what code it generates. You can see. So now, oh, let me first of all, let me make my face smaller. I don't know why. So yeah, so you can see. So it's going to explain to you everything now. Yeah. So this is pretty cool. We can start by checking the number of unique users, the types and frequency of events. Yeah. That is pretty cool. Okay. So you can see what it has. So not only did it tell me what data it was, it's also showing me number of unique users. Okay. Event frequency, what happens, event sources, distribution of events across AWS regions. Okay. Let me show you. Can you generate some visualizations based on this data which I can use? Okay, visualization. No, I was saying that, but okay. Let's see if it can like generate data also based on this, right? So because I wanted to show. Oh, okay, let's show the, because I also like to see what code you can see. You can actually look at the Python code which is being generated. Yeah, you see. Top 10 event names. So you can see it's mostly the config, put evaluations. These are the things. Yeah. Can you generate 5 visualizations based on this data. Just playing around. Just want to see what else it can do. So like I said, again, you can actually see the Python code here, which I always like to take a look. Now you're seeing how powerful this is, guys. So previously, it would probably give you code which you would need to put within your own Python environment running. But now it's actually generating the code on the fly and executing it within the Python sandbox. This Python sandbox is limited. It doesn't have access to the internet, and it is a limited set of Python libraries. But honestly, it is more than enough, right? I'm sure you're going to see people jailbreaking it. Okay. Oh wow, so pretty cool. You can see top 10 event sources, read-only event distributions, event categories, top 10 users. Yeah. So this is pretty cool. Let me check one thing. I haven't get who was. Can you let me know when was the last login into this AWS account? I just wanted to check if it will be able to like. Oh, this is pretty cool. Yeah. So just to show you guys just how powerful this is. I hope you understood now. Now I'm not recommending that you take your official AWS CloudTrail and put it here. This is just an example. This is my own demo account. But what does this mean now? I want you to understand, guys. You have now an extremely powerful data analyst available for you within ChatGPT, okay? For a very, very fraction of the cost it would take you to pay somebody. If you have ever worked like within finance and all that, right? The data analyst, data scientists, what did they do? They usually, most of the time is spent with cleaning data. Now you can literally take that CSV file, put it within ChatGPT, ask it to clean that data, ask it to analyze that data, ask it to create graphs, ask it to show predictions. Like the possibilities are absolutely endless, okay? If I was a data scientist and I knew about this functionality, believe me, I would not need to wait for IT to provision me an environment. I would start playing around with this. And what does that mean for you? I can almost guarantee you people are going to be making stupid mistakes by putting production data into ChatGPT because they're not aware of it, and they're just going to be liking it so much because of how convenient it is, right? And you can do so much powerful stuff with this, which is like mind-blowing, okay? This is, I can assure you, this is the future of coding and data science. I mean, I can't imagine what's going to be the future in like 5 to 10 years, okay? And you don't need to learn Python. You don't need to know the technical details of what's happening. You can let ChatGPT do all the heavy lifting, right? You can put images here, you can crop images. And honestly, from my perspective, it's not about the images and everything. It's about the data. I mean, you can ask this environment to let you write some exploit code. It'll probably won't. But the main risk I see here is data leakage because of all the powerful analytical capabilities that are now available. Literally anybody can code now. Okay, and it's only going to get better. This is like the least advanced version of this functionality. It's only going to get better, and you're going to have people from finance, people from all over the units starting putting data here. You need to understand how this thing works and like put in all sorts of awareness and make sure that your people understand. Do not put production data because it's so powerful. So I hope you understood, guys. This is the reason I made this video, just to show you how quickly things are changing, especially now. Previously, programmers were worried about their jobs. Now, data scientists are going to be worried. It's not going to replace them. It's going to make their jobs easier. But in the future, this is the future of coding and data analysis. Anybody will be able to do this because of the powerful features that are now available. So I hope you understood, guys, what I'm trying to show, the powerful features of Code Interpreter and what it means for cybersecurity. Thanks. And if you like this video, please do like and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.